Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving into the latest revelations about Apple's first foldable, the iPhone Fold, as famed analyst Ming-Chi Kuo weighs in on launch details, pricing, and specifications that promise to redefine the future of Apple's smartphone lineup. And according to a new report, Apple is hoping to launch its first foldable as early as next year, though final specifications for the so-called iPhone Fold will not be finalized until Q2 2025, which means that various elements are still undecided and may change over the coming months. Nonetheless, Kuo expects Apple to officially launch its first foldable in the second half of 2026, presumably timed with the arrival of the iPhone 18 series. And he adds that Apple is targeting a modest production volume of 3 to 5 million units for 2026, with expectations of scaling up to 20 million units for a second-generation model throughout late 2027 and 2028. And with such high ambitions, the device is predicted to command a high starting price, with Kuo estimating it to be more than $2,500, a price that must be justified by groundbreaking design and performance. So to achieve this, Apple is expected to deliver a first-generation foldable that is remarkably thin, around 4.5 to 4.8 millimeters thick when open and approximately 9 to 9.5 millimeters when closed, even if these measurements might not perfectly add up. Because Kuo asserts that to minimize device thickness, Apple will likely compromise on some features, such as the Face ID hardware and its conventional triple camera setup, opting instead for a more streamlined design that adopts 2 rear-facing cameras and a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint sensor, similar to what is seen in devices like the Oppo Find N5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which currently retails around $1,549 on Amazon. And further, Apple is said to be sourcing premium components, including stainless steel hinge components and titanium for the device's body, which promises not only durability but also a sleek, modern aesthetic. And the analyst suggests that the iPhone Fold will feature a 3:2 aspect ratio, which will yield a 5.5-inch cover display and a 7.8-inch foldable display, a design approach that will provide users with a more traditional smartphone experience when the device is closed while offering an expansive, tablet-like viewing experience when unfolded. These details, while still subject to change as final specifications are ironed out in Q2 2025, indicate that Apple is taking a bold step into the foldable market with a device that prioritizes an ultra-thin profile and high-end materials, even if it means making some compromises on features that many Apple users have come to expect. And as we await further confirmation and official announcements from Apple, the prospect of the iPhone Fold, with its innovative design, advanced engineering, and potentially premium pricing, is generating significant buzz among tech enthusiasts and Apple loyalists alike, and it remains to be seen how the market will respond to this ambitious move. But one thing is clear: the future of Apple's foldable technology is on the horizon, and with insights from Ming-Chi Kuo, we are given a tantalizing glimpse into what might be one of the most revolutionary smartphones to hit the market in the coming years. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive breakdown of the iPhone Fold's launch, pricing, and specifications. And if you found this video insightful, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech updates and in-depth reviews. This is TechVerse, signing off.